Hey there people, well today we're going to take a little ride and see if we can find any scrap. So Jage, what do you feel like listening to today, buddy? So it looks like JJ decided on some Lamb of God. So there you go, buddy, rock on. Holy crap, looks like we got some mail today. The old lunch bill's full. Hey, it won't be long till I can take my trike out. I love it when the trail plan closes. Then it's free for all. No permits needed, snow machines can eat shit. Okay, let's go get some scrap. Yeah, what a crazy change in weather. Like, we were at plus 10 for, I don't know, 4 or 5 days. It was raining for 3 days straight, like pouring rain. Got rid of a lot of snow. And today it's minus 10 Celsius and snowing. So I don't know. Well, anyway, hopefully it screws up the trail plans. No offense to you skidoers, snowmobilers out there. But I can't wait for them to close so I can go freestyle on the trails. Free for all. Piece number 1, our fridge. Let's grab that. Junk. That right there was a great score. Like, the lady was waiting for me. She sees me drive by every Tuesday or whatever it is, and they sold their house, so they got lots of stuff to get rid of. So she invited me inside and showed me what she got. Just wait, I'll show you when I get home. It's funny. Well, remember this thing from last week? I left my note. Well, a buddy called me, so it's all mine. Let's pick that up. Right on, right on. Looks like scrap season might be back. Alright, let me show you guys what else I got. This is the stuff you guys seen when I pulled up to the curb there. The bike and that. 2 nice little work tables. So I brought my score into my dungeon here. It looks pretty good. Let's see what I got. Just from looking at it, I can tell there's some good stuff in here for sure. Okay, let's see what's in these boxes. Huh. I hope it is what it is. Let's have a peek. Very cool. It is what it is. Even came with the receipt and book and everything. Looks like an electric motor to me. I don't know if it's new or not, but let me check in the box. Like, so far this is an awesome score, just my second little thing. But yeah, she's brand spanking new. Very cool. Guess I drove by at the right time, eh? But she's brand, never been used. For sure. Feels like Christmas in March. Well, one thing's obvious, what's in this box. Okay, let's go through that. Like a socket set. Yep. 40-piece socket set. Very cool. It's Christmas! This is obvious. That's an oldie. Wow. It even comes with a bunch of spare blades and stuff. Look at that. The original manual for it. Wonder what year this is made. Anyway, some miscellaneous stuff, screws, bunch of nails, more nails, screw eyes, plugs, the socket set. Box number 1. Now we have all these old rods and reels. Let's have a closer look at those. I tell you, this is old school stuff for sure. These closed reels are plastic. This reel here was a good find. A Green Hornet. I thought this reel here was an old Mitchell, but what is it, an Islander? Never heard of it. Very cool. Very dirty. Last but not least, the last box. This sucker was heavy, so I'm anxious to rip into her. Just that brown box in the corner weighs a ton. Okay, we'll start with that brown box in the corner. Well, it's a tackle box. Let's hope it's tackle. What was that? Oh, it's a jig maker thing. Yeah. Awesome. It's got the little melting pot so you can melt your lead to make different size jigs. That kicks ass. Let's just dive right into her. Oh, just scrap metal. Duck fan. Looks brand new. Yep. A lamp thingamajiggy with the pull cord. That's what I got in this room here. Old school. Right on, some wire cutters. Like I said, it feels like Christmas. Another multi-tool. Need a new one. What's that? Rex Manufacturing. What is that? I don't know. Looks new anyway. It's just a snake. Like everything's brand new. That's awesome. Need a seat. It's an inflatable cushion for hunting. Cool. Another planer. Got quite a few of those going. I got a couple of antique ones. Nails. Screws. Corner thingamajigs. A bunch of them. Cap catching bottle opener. That'll come in handy. Uh-oh. All kinds of goodies. Jigsaw blades, hooks, switches, hangs in the jigs, screws like hell. Bunch of nails. Oh yeah. Screws, all kinds of screws. More jigsaw blades. Pipe wrench. Knife. What do you pay for that? $1. It's a good one. Hacksaw. Some screws. More cutters. A couple chisels. Line marker thing. Screws. Scrapers. A couple sockets. More screws. Sanding blocks. Crack filler. Paint brushes. Thingamajigs. Old school plugs. More nails. Whatever's in here. Thingamajiggers, wall plugs, big ass nails, white owl. There we go. Overall, I'd say I did pretty good today, and that's just the stuff that she found in her basement. She still has a shed to go through, so I'm gonna pop by tomorrow and see what else she's got. Right on, people. Thanks for watching. Cheers. And we'll talk to you guys later. I forgot one thing. This was still in the truck. I don't think I have to open this one. It was brand new. Craziness. Can't wait to go back tomorrow.